step into serenity with the Haven collection from Pioneer. What I want to show you today is a bouquet that we're doing featuring those Haven colors, which are such soft, muted colors, but oh, what a warm combination. So we're going to start with our foliage. We're using the silver dollar eucalyptus and the maidenhair fern, and then adding flowers, each one by themselves. So we're going to do the hydrangea, the cabbage rose, the ranunculus, the helleborus, and the sweet pea. Then we're going to bind those. Just watch, there's certain points where we're binding them off so that we make sure that they're staying where they need to, and we're going to have a beautiful collection bouquet that will have that organic look that everybody's looking for now. So let's watch. So then with just a little fluffing, you've got a beautiful combination for that warm serenity Haven look.